Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You want to see a real cool set of levers? You can see here we've got a beautiful looking master cylinder, push buttons all built in. Then you've got the clutch unit, the clutch lever here, also got the push buttons built in. It's all billet CNC. This isn't cast, it's proper billet. Now you'll also notice there's two different options for the clutch, the old one and the new one, depending on which clutch lever you've got. Okay, clutch cable. But cracking looking levers, absolutely amazing looking. Also available as a hydraulic version as well. Rebuild kits also available if ever you need them. We've never actually sold one. These are made in Italy by CPV, I believe, and very, very exceptional quality. I do recommend Dot 5 with these, which again is a massive upgrade because it doesn't take your paint off like most of them. So if you want some ultimate in levers, give us a call. 01773 835 666. CustomCruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.